go down. No money. Nobody fit do anything again.
Barugu.
They see I say they go down.
Yes, we dey see am.
They see now.
Yes.
You don't go down. No.
Barugu is going down. Barugu is going down now. Barugu is going down. Barugu is going down finally. Barugu is going down. Barugu is going down finally. It's going down. We have been making some calls to NIMASA and telling them about the incident for the past 1 month ago. Yes, it's going down. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at the boat. Barugu is going down finally now. It's going down finally. It's going down finally. Barugu is going down now. See Barugu going down. See Barugu is going down finally. Barugu is gone. Barugu is gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Barugu is gone. It's gone. This is what we have been telling the authorities since January 18. We have been telling them, please take the time, please. Barugu is gone. Barugu is gone. Finally. Barugu is gone finally now. It's gone. That finally sunk. Yes. Barugu is gone finally now. Finally gone. It's happening now. Please take the time, please. Take the time. This is pure negligence of the authority. We have been taking and reporting this to the authority for the past 2 months. We have been telling them about the emergency we have been facing and need